Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We divide both sides by dx. We have 4y minus e to the power of 2x to the power of 3 with y in here. Next, we divide both sides by y to the power of 3. Now, we can apply the formula of Bernoulli's equation. So, I will put about v equals to 1 over y squared. If I do first derivative for the both sides, we have dv over dx equals to negative number 2, dy over dx, and we have y to the power of 3. Next, because we don't have negative number 2, so we put negative number 2 go to the left. So this one in here, that's about this one. This one in here, that's about v. So we have 4v. Next, I will put negative e to the power of 2s go to the right. I will multiply both sides by negative number 2. Now, we have v and first derivative of v. We can use about integrating factor. So we need to use about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration of negative number 8 ds. This one we will have about negative as. That means we multiply both sides by this one in here. E to the power of 2s with e to the power of negative as. We have e to the power of 2 minus a, you got about negative number 6. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Now, I need to apply about the product rule of derivative. So we have y equals to, first derivative of y equals to first derivative of u multiplied by v plus first derivative of v multiplied by u. So if I look carefully about this one, this is about first derivative of u multiplied by v. This one is about first derivative of v. Multiplied by u. So this one, if we do this integration, we have y equals to uv. So this one, we have v multiplied by e to the power of negative 8s. This one, we have e to the power of negative 6s over negative number 6. And we put about c. Negative number 2 simplified by negative number 6. We have positive number 3, because negative, they will simplify. Next, I will divide both sides by e to the power of negative as. and this one they will go to e to the power of as in here. Similar for this one. Number 8 minus 6, we have e to the power of 2s. About v, this is about this one. And now we have the condition. That means when s equals to negative number 1, y equals to number 4, we need to find the value of c in here. So number 4 we put in here, negative number 1 we put in here, negative number 1 we put in here. That's the negative number 8. Now we simplify, we have 1 over 16. This is about e to the power of negative number 2. So I will put this one go to the left, and we multiply both sides by e to the power of negative number 8. Or we divide, sorry. And you got about e to the power of a. And 1 over 16 minus e to the power of negative number 2 over number 3. So we go back in here, and I will put this one go in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching. Here is about the full answer of the question in here.